Hello my creations fam, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make this pop-up Mother's Day box card. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so that you'll be the first one to get notification whenever I post a new video. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, this is a 4x7 card stack and I'm going to fold it off. Well, I made a mistake right here, but I'll cover that up later. And I have 4 pieces of 7 by 1 inches, and you're going to score ½ inches on both sides to make your flaps right here. And also I have these 2 pieces for the side, which is 4 1/4 by 1 inch. And I also have these 2 pieces for the flaps that attach these 2, which is 2 1/4 by 1 inch. And I'm going to attach these to the front. You don't have to have the flap, but I want it so we can add notes. So it's gonna be like this, but because it's gonna stand up on its own after adding these like this right here. And also I'm going to make these more flexible, more thicker, because I can see this paper is really thin. So later on I will add it on my designer paper. So first I am going to attach this one here. There you go. And I'm going to attach the other one and I will be right back. Okay, so I attached those flaps. I'm going to add these over here. So I'm gonna get these flaps squeezed like this one, ½ inches on each, and I'll be right back. So guys, I scored those because I'm going to attach them to these sides. And then let's go. So now we're going to attach the last one. So guys, here I have some paper strips with my designer paper. And I'm going to add these on like so, and I will be right back with you guys. So guys, I added those, and as you can see, I added. And I have some flowers that I'm going to add. I'm just gonna add one tray, guys, and then attach them on. I'm gonna add this and here. These that I cut out with my die cut machine. And go. There you go. Added one. I'm gonna finish add those on, and you guys will see what it look like when I'm done. Also, I'm gonna add some art So guys, right here I added some more flowers and art to this pop-up box, and this is how it turned out to be. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, and tell your friends and loved ones about Willa's Creations YouTube channel. I shall see you guys in another video. Peace. I'm out.